Good afternoon. Dave here, bringing you another daily blog of the life of a farmer. Good evening or good afternoon, Dave here. As we are at work now, we are pretty much taking a look at the cotton. As you can see, Mikey, point the camera that way, towards the field. Thank you. There's the cotton is growing pretty healthy. We're gonna have a tractor out here later on tonight, fumigating, so we know that the insects don't get into it. The plague. In Spanish they call it la plaga. But we take a look at these rows, and we make sure that there isn't any weeds growing in it either. As you can see, they're growing pretty healthy. The commodity of cotton is very well paid. Not too much in making clothes, but more into the medical field. This is a special type of cotton that'll grow, and you'll see in time later on in future videos, you'll see how fast this thing grows, how tall it grows. I've seen plants as big as 3 feet high, which will give you a good abundance of cotton for each field, for each plant. So we're gonna come up. We're gonna drive up a little bit faster. Want to see. Want to see this. Towards the left here, there's always a lot of deer, but we don't bother with the deer, as long as the deers don't bother with us. Got some more cotton here on this side that we want to take a look at. See, now, this particular cotton is going to have to be fumigated as we start noticing a lot of the weedy area starts to grow pretty close to the plant, and that's not very good because it doesn't allow the cotton to grow properly. Normally, a stem will give out at least 10 or 15 branches, but because of the weed that's close by, it won't let it actually grow. So sometimes from the 10 or 15, it'll only give you 5 branches or 10 branches, and that's not enough because every branch would normally give you about 5 or 6 seeds of cotton, which means that it would be 5 or 6 handfuls of medical cotton. Let's continue on forward a little bit. See if you can notice Mike, you have the camera towards the field, right? Okay. Um, you notice that on this part, the field's gonna need to be fumigated. Get rid of all those weeds that are growing close to the cotton. This should be done if we're on April, May, June. By the end of June, it should be ready for pickup. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Um, let's see here. We're gonna take a pause here and continue on further up front, and bring up other issues. Um, the watermelon is growing good and healthy, so we don't have a problem with the watermelon right now. Um, but